Hi, and welcome to Yee Fit Adventures. My name's Darren, and today, on this adventure, we're going to do a little bike and brew. So stay tuned. So on today's adventure, some friends of mine are going to go on a little mountain bike ride along the American River Bike Trail. I'm not sure the exact route or the exact mileage, but along the way, I think we're gonna stop and brew up some coffee. So the gear that I'm gonna use today, I'm bringing my Salomon 12 set running vest. I'm bringing my cook set, which I'll show you later, a sit pad, some coffee, maybe a bar, my Katadyn Be-Free water filter, in case we're along the river I can filter some water. I am carrying about 1.5 liters of water, and I'm riding my brother-in-law's Trek mountain bike. Also, the temperatures are going to be in the 50s, and it's going to be a great ride. Nice day. All right, you got to gear down, Steve. Oh, I don't think I'm going to make it. How you doing, Steve?
Good. That was probably a pretty shaky video there. Did you get any new gear for backpacking?
Oh, do otters make dams?
They may.
I love this water.
Hope a lot more on the top. But that's not it, really.
Have you ever camped in the snow? Hiked and camped in the snow?
You know, I haven't. I'd like to. Darren, you did. You went.
College,
trying Lee's pour over New Orleans blend.
It was really tiring actually. We went a little bit too far. We should have planned a shorter route probably.
In the water.
But it was nice because you can bring so much compared to backpacking, you know? Maybe you just throw it all in the canoe.
I saw
Coffee is boiling.
Yeah, dude, those things
Let's tear this piece off here.
They're expensive, man.
I think they light up well. It's like origami, like
As far as I know, yeah. I mean, you know, you wouldn't want to take it down like hardcore rapids.
yeah.
But for the most part, you know, you probably don't want to take a canoe down hardcore rapids anyway.
Yeah.
Right, you gonna pop that mug open?
Yeah.
What are you using, Darren? You got a French press or a...
It's a pour over.
You haven't met up with the coffee director?
No, not since quarantine started. On the 15th floor, I had COVID.
How about you, Darren?
Yeah, I think so.
They haven't said when. For bringing the coffee and helping
Oh, absolutely, man. I'm glad I could. Like, I've been wanting to like do this with other people. But yeah, I try to get out of this. But the canoe itself, the body is out of Kevlar. I just lost some of the coffee grounds there. But actually, my cup was pretty.
Right, we are just having some coffee here on the American River.
Again, since.
Did you get another
The ride out here was.
It's just because we rode through that area, huh?
I don't know what it was, like for some reason.
About 6 or 7 miles out here.
Yeah, totally flattening that day.
It's a beautiful day.
Left and right.
In the mid-50s.
Yeah, since then, nope.
That was our last time.
There are some fly fishermen
really?
over here.
You still ride that family bike a lot?
No, I sold that.
Oh, you did?
Sold it for 100.
It's great to be outside, getting some sun,
Yeah, I told you I started riding it.
enjoying some coffee.
It's just so much. It's very compact and
Cheers.
keep it in my desk area like.
Yeah, that's nice.
All right, just heading back to the car. I think we've got about 5 miles to go. Just cruising along this great little trail by the river. It's actually been a couple months since I've ridden. I don't think I've ridden since October.
Oh, really? Wow, man. I'm glad you got back out.
It's good to be back. Say hi, Steve. Hello. Alright, that concludes our ride. Our total ride came out to be 13 miles.
Not bad.
Thanks, Mark, for planning this coffee and ride.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Steve. Thanks for coming. It's great to catch up. Till next time.
Yeah.
Take care.
Let's do it again soon.
Stay safe.